Basketball is not only a competition but also a fearless belief in the war song of youth. The attack breaks through the fog like dawn, unstoppable and powerful. The four defense guards, strong as gold, unite to gather majestic strength. The roar pierces through. Friction sound burns love's field. The score was just a passing one. Hand in hand. Friendship is built on it. Sweat is a medal of hard work. Resolute eyes are the edge of chasing dreams. Every pass is a bridge of trust. Every jump is a desire for the sky, every confrontation. It's all a contest of courage, and all this is the highlight chapter of the game. It is a treasure of suffering, and it is a heart that will never fade.